Hello everyone, welcome back. Another day, another workout, mini band, full body workout. I see people find them quite useful, so I try to record more. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, let's do a quick warm up. First, take a deep breath, down dog. Lengthening through your spine, hamstrings. Feel yourself free. 2, 1, hand back. Right arm open towards the side. Straight up. Exhale, switch. Okay, nice. Then, starting with upper body. Open your mini band, open your arms. We're gonna do plank position. From here, plank position, we're gonna step towards the side. So let's do with one arm. Left, tap back, right, tap back. So tap towards the side and then back. Here we go, 10. Plank position. Let's work. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Knees on the ground, inhale deeply. Exhale. Then same thing but forward. Tap forward, 10. Plank position. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, the third set will be one towards the side, one forward. So we're gonna tap side, tap forward, and then switch. Tap side, tap forward. Here we go, plank position. Let's work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Straight arms. I'll turn back to you. Let's open your arms towards the side a little bit, engaging our upper back. Make sure you are keeping your arms straight and also make sure you are contracting your upper back. Here we go, 10 times. Straight arms in front, thumb a little bit rotated outside. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And hold, lock upper back and hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Awesome. Then we continue. Place your band under your knees a little bit higher than your knees can be, or lower. From here, knees on the ground, palms on the ground. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Rotate your core, engage your core, lower back, push your arms up. Elevate your knees off the ground. And we're gonna open towards the side, your knees. Here we go, 12. 2, nice. 3, slow. 4, push. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more. 11, 12. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Then we continue. Same as we are, knees on the ground. We're gonna open up the left leg high and low, high and low, 10 times, higher, lower. Here we go. Let's work. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, switch, right one, and up. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, go ahead, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good one. Then you place your band lower a little bit, lower than your knees, lower. From here, take a deep breath. Exhale. Left leg fully straight. We're gonna elevate it up, fully straight. Lock your core lower back. Let's work. 10, 2, nice. 3, 4, higher. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we switch, same thing. Right leg straight back, lock your core lower back. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Then you place your band lower around your toes. We're gonna do plank position. Straight back, lock your core lower back. We're gonna tap towards the side with your legs. 12. Let's work. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Go ahead. 8, 9, 10. 10. 2 more. 1, 2. Release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. Exhale. The next one will be more challenging for your knees and legs. Same. We are in plank position. Legs a little bit wide open. Rotate your pelvis. Then from here, I want you to drive your right leg forward in the same time bending your left knee, and switch. And switch. Make sure you're pushing really good forward, and make sure your knee, while you're bending it, it should drive outside, not inside. Here we go, and do it slower first if you don't have such a good control of your body. Rotate your pelvis. 12. Work nice and smooth. Let's work. Right leg first in front goes. And 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Release. Awesome. From here, we're gonna stand up. Take a deep breath. Step on your resistance band. Make sure you have it like it is flat enough, or otherwise you may feel some pain. Then open up a little bit your legs. From here, what I want you to do is slightly bend your hips backward a little bit. As you can see, knee should not go too much forward, backward. From here, we're gonna elevate the left foot, open towards the side, slide and bring it back. Elevate, slide and bring it back. Elevate, slide and bring it back. Here we go. 10 on each leg. Let's work. Left first. 2. Right stable. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. Take a deep breath. Then we'll switch. Right leg same. Slide. 2, nice. 3, go ahead. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back up. Awesome. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. We continue with taps. So, right hips first, drive them backwards. As you can see, my hamstring starts to work. And then from here, we're gonna tap towards the side. Tap, back, tap, back. Here we go. 10 on each leg. Let's work. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. We're gonna switch. Right leg, same, drive your head backwards, stable. Let's work towards the side. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Take a deep breath first. Exhale. We are done with this. So we're gonna sit down. What I want you from here is you place your resistance band on your arms. Slowly push it towards the side, from outside. And then from here, what we're gonna do, we're gonna push up your arms in the same time by pulling the resistance band towards the side. And we're gonna elevate one leg. So leg with arms work together. Let's work. 12. Right leg first. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lower back should be straight. 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep pushing your arms, lower back straight. Hold this position. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From here, you keep pushing your band and twist left, right. 2, 3, 4, 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Release. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale. One more. Exhale. Okay, we are adding some core. So legs are here. First, you're gonna sit down. Legs should be really straight. I want you from here to bend your leg a little bit, and from here we need to open towards the side of your leg. So it will look like this. You bend and side and side and side. Here we go. Core and a little bit of glutes as well. Up towards the side. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Knee should drive backwards. 10. Switch. Right one. Bend towards the side. And 2. Nice. 3, 4. Go ahead. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Even thigh muscles working here. Release. Okay. The last one we're gonna do is, first, you should place the band around your, like, little below the knee. Band, push up, hold it tight. From here, we're gonna open towards the side, the left leg, and hold it 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, hold 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Break it back, switch, right leg in front, open towards your side, hold. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Flat back. From here, we're gonna open your knees wider, push, make sure your resistance band, your band is really tight. And from here, we're gonna lower your heel and your legs and bring them back. So lower and back. Here we go. And 1, 10, 2, go ahead. 3, keep it back flat. 4, 5, 6, 7, nice. 8, 9, 10. And last one we're gonna do with arms together. Right, arms straight forward. We're gonna drive your legs down, arms backward. Here we go. 12. And 2, nice. Flat back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Okay, quick one, efficient. Let's do quick stretch. Don't forget, quick stretch after every workout. Down dog. Breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Roll over, upper facing dog. Hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly back up. Okay, my friends, that's it. Nice and smooth workout. Hope you enjoy. Subscribe, comment, suggest. I'm always thankful for. Peace out. Wish you all the best.